The belief that cracking your knuckles causes arthritis is a common misconception that has been around for many years. This belief is not supported by scientific evidence, as the sound made when cracking your knuckles is actually due to the formation and collapse of a gas-filled cavity in the synovial fluid that surrounds your joints. Studies have investigated the relationship between knuckle cracking and arthritis, and none have found any evidence to support the idea that cracking your knuckles increases the risk of developing arthritis. However, excessive or forceful cracking of the knuckles may lead to inflammation or joint swelling in some individuals.